Hello everyone, welcome to Meerkat Friends, an awesome place located in South Korea. Me and my sister visited this place. Listen, if you're an animal lover like myself, then this is the place to go to. They got so many exotic animals here, like kangaroos, nice reptiles, and look at these cool foxes. Check this out. Foxes love humans, and these foxes are so beautiful, so nice. But just look at them. Like, who wouldn't want to take these home? If you're in South Korea, give this place a shot. You won't regret it. Follow me for more content.